Now we will discuss about the process of keyword research. Before we move into the process of keyword research, we would first know the steps. The most important step is the manual one. First, you have to open a web page. You have to read the web page. You have to study it. You have to find out what is the topic, what is the business, and you have to find out the potential user, the potential customers, what would be the probable words that they can search in Google or Yahoo to find that type of business. So that is mostly you have to use the common sense. So first let's start with this. So we will take the example of esielectro.com homepage. So let's open esielectro.com. So we are opening esielectro.com here. So we see from the page itself that they are written here the product. We say the battery, e-rickshaw battery charger, then SCR charger, then SMPS battery charger, transformers, LED driver. And if we see here, we have seen that battery charger manufacturer in Kolkata, products include battery charger, SMPS charger. So from the very first glance, what we can see that they are mostly focusing with the battery charger. So what we need to do, so we would do the manual method first. So by opening the home page and other internal pages of the website and do manual scrutiny. So we have opened the home page and very clearly we can see that they are dealing mostly into the battery charger. That is their most important product they are dealing with. So what we do now, we would write like this way: primary word, then or focus. This is also called the focus keyword, then related keyword, then entity keyword, and then local keyword. So now you would fill it up with here. So primary or focus keyword, you should remember that should be mostly a single word or double word keyword, and it is without any preposition, conjunction, adjective, adverb. That means a, and,